In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix database error on Hostinger. Encountering the dreaded error establishing a database connection can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you just want your website to be online and working. But don't worry, we're going to walk through the exact steps recommended by the Hostinger Help Center to get your site back up and running smoothly. So let's dive right in and get your site back online. First, your initial step is to check your current database parameters. To do this, head over to your hPanel. Once there, navigate to Websites, then click on Manage for the specific site that's experiencing the error. In the left-hand sidebar, look for and click on Databases Management. This is where you'll find all your essential MySQL database credentials, including the database name, username, and password. It's crucial to either copy these details into a text file or keep this tab open so you can easily reference them later. Once you have these details, our next step is to open your website's configuration file. From the same websites, Manage section in hPanel, go to File Manager. Inside the File Manager, open the public HTML folder. This is where you'll locate the core configuration file for your content management system. For example, if you're using WordPress, it will be wp-config.php. For Joomla, it's configuration.php. And for OpenCart, it's config.php. With your configuration file open, we can now move on to matching the database credentials. Carefully open the configuration file and find the database connection fields. You need to ensure that these fields exactly match the details you copied or noted in our first step. For WordPress, you're looking for DB name, DB user, DB password, and DB host. Other CMS platforms have similar fields like DB database, DB username, DB password, and DB hostname for OpenCart, or public DB, public user, and the public password for Joomla. It's really important to be extremely precise here. Do not add extra spaces and make sure all symbols and characters are exactly as they should be. After carefully updating these fields, it's time to save your changes and test your site. Save the updated configuration file within the File Manager. Then, open your website in an incognito or private browser window. This helps ensure you're getting a fresh load of your site without any cached data influencing the test. Check if the database error is now resolved. Now, what if the error still persists? This often means that the database password in your configuration file simply doesn't match the actual password of your database. The solution is straightforward. Open your configuration file again, carefully copy the password value from it, making sure not to pick up any extra characters. Then, go back to Databases Management in hPanel and change the database password to this exact copied value. This process ensures both passwords are perfectly aligned. Once your credentials are accurately synced, or you've updated the database to reflect the config file, that database connection error should finally be resolved. If this video helped you get your site back up and running, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.